Hello student, in previous lecture we start a new lesson, that is light and the formation of shadow. In this process we come to the point that is a pinhole camera. Here we have a picture of a pinhole camera and a experiment of the formations of the image in the inverted form. So to make it possible, we have to make one experiment. For these experiments, we must have some apparatus, that is the lighting candles, and the box or two plain surface cardboards at big cardboards and a small cardboards, and we have a small hole at the center on that small cardboards, and we kept at one side of that cardboards another big cardboard, and opposite side we kept a burning candle. In the line of that pinhole, if we look on the big cardboard, we will experience that the image of the candle generate on the big opposite side is in inverted manner. It is due to the character of the light that it travels in a straight manner. In the next point, we will look at the formation of these shadows in a different ways. When the light is thrown on the object from different angles and different lengths. So here we have we have a picture that a boys throwing a light on these girls, and these lights are thrown on the body of the girls. Due to opaque character of the body, these lights are directly thrown the side space of the body, and it cannot reach up to this dark space. This dark space we called as a, a shadow because the rays of the light are not reaches up to this space. So this dark space is formed due to opaque character. This dark space we called as a shadow. Here are some angles of the shadow formation of shadow, and the definition of a shadow will be that if an opaque object comes in the way of light source, light does not pass through it. As a result, the light does not reaches a wall or any other surface on the other side of the object. That part remains dark. This dark part is called as the shadow of the object. This shadow is formed due to opaque character of the body. Here are the next try is that the boy is stand on a different distance or with the different angles, so we get a different form of the shadow of the body on which we throw light. So the shadow of an object is formed only when the light does not pass through the object. The kind of a shadow it forms depends upon the relative distance between the source of light, that is torch, and the object, that is the big man, and the surface or the screen on which the shadow is formed. The shadow of an object formed due to sunlight in the mornings, evening, and the short in the afternoon. We can easily note this change if we are observe the trees along the roadside. This change in the shadow depends upon the source of light, the object, and also the surface on which the shadow is formed. The another last point in this lessons is about the sundial. A sundial is an instrument that indicates the time with the help of the extinct and the directions of the shadow of an object formed in the sunlight. Earlier times was measured by placing a stick parallel to the axis of the earth and by noting the positions of its shadow on the dial at different times of the day. The largest sundial is at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. The research work presented by the Indian scientist Sir C. V. Raman regarding scattering of light is known as the Raman effect. He discovered these effects on the 28th February 1928. To commemorate this event, 28th February is celebrated as a National Science Day since 1987. Here we completed these lessons, Another point, the last point is that the British scientist Sir Isaac Newton made a special disc. Uh, One side of the disc was divided equally into uh, seven petals of seven colors, that is the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The disc was fitted on the stand and rotated fast. As the disc rotated, the seven colors disappeared and only white was seen. This proved that the sunlight is made up of a seven color. That is why the disk is known as a Newton's disk. Newton wrote a book called Optics about light. The shape of the shadow depends upon the source of the light, the object, and the surface on which it is formed. We should not get frightened by the shadow we see at night because it is simple a science behind that. So here we completed the formation shadow this lesson. Student, you read these lessons thoroughly and try to make a questions minimum 15 questions is the task or homework to you. So complete the exercise of this lesson and try to make questions, that is the answer in one sentence or answer in one words of these lessons, and send me photographs of that homework. So here we stop. Thank you.